Oblique Seville has just made a huge statement in the world of track and field, taking his first ever Diamond League 100-meter victory with a blistering 9.86 seconds. But this win is just the beginning. As the Tokyo World Championship draws near, Seville's remarkable consistency and his determination to break through the medal barrier could make 2025 his year. So, in this video, let's break down how Oblique Seville is gearing up to make a serious push for gold. Let's get started. The men's 100 meter is getting hotter this season as it draws closer to the Tokyo World Championship, and with this, Oblique Seville has put himself in the medal conversation. Over the last few seasons, Jamaica's Oblique Seville has been one of the most consistent 100 meter sprinters by making multiple finals in the event. But he has fallen short of earning a medal in the last 3 championships. To improve his 100 meter performance, Oblique Seville chose to compete in Michael Johnson's Grand Slam Track Series. This decision has paid off, as it allowed him to race both the 100 meter and 200 meter, helping him grow as an athlete. Oblique Seville ran a 200 meter personal best of 20.13 seconds at the Philadelphia leg of the meet. This was a confidence boost for him, as he later ran well throughout the rounds of the 200 meter at the Jamaica National Championship, with his best time coming in the final with 9.83 seconds to place second behind Kishane Thompson's world-leading time of 9.75 seconds. After competing at the Jamaica National Championship, it was announced that Seville was going to make his Diamond League debut at the London Athletics meet in both the 100 meter and 4x100 meter relay. This was shaping up to be a fantastic meet because the 100 meter featured Olympic champion Noah Lyles of the United States. Despite the conditions being humid, Oblique Seville was able to start off his day by running the second leg of the 4x100 meter relay, where the Jamaican team was able to run 37.80 seconds to win and advance to the Tokyo World Championship. Seville had to get back to the warm-up track to recover quickly in time for the 100 meter. In the 100 meter, Oblique Seville got a great start with Noah Lyles and Zarnell Hughes being right there with him. Seville separated himself from the field and crossed the line in 9.86 seconds to win his first Diamond League 100 meter race. Noah Lyles was second with the season's best of 10.00 seconds, and Zarnell Hughes was third with 10.02 seconds. Oblique Seville was ecstatic with his win as the fans cheered him on. The Tokyo World Championship is less than 2 months away, and things should get even more exciting as the time draws nearer. Oblique Seville has shown the world that his hard work, consistency, and determination are paying off. With the Tokyo World Championship on the horizon, the future looks bright for Seville as he continues to push his limits. One thing is certain, 2025 could very well be this breakthrough year. What do you think? Will Oblique Seville finally break through and secure a medal at the Tokyo World Championship? How do you think his recent Diamond League win will impact his performance in the upcoming months? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the Jamaica National Championship 2025 Best Performances. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on all things track and field, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.